All right, so here in lesson number 5, we are going to combine of translating math problems into symbols, into equations, like we did earlier in the unit, and then also our skill of solving. So we're going to solve like real world examples, or at least mathematical examples that are word problems. So for example, one angle is 5 degrees less than 3 times the measure of another angle. Together, the angle measures have a sum of 143 degrees. What is the measure of each angle? So I'm going to let x, this is a let statement, let x equal the measure of an angle. Okay, so one of our angles is x. And it says up here that together they have a sum of 143. So I'm going to add to this something, and then that's going to equal 143. So what I have to do is I have to figure out the measure of this other angle, the one that goes here. And it says one angle is 5 degrees less than 3 times the measure of the other angle. Well, the other angle is x. So 5 degrees less than the measure of the other angle. So one of my angles is 3x minus 5. This is 5 less than 3 times the other angle, and there's the other angle. So one angle, two angles, and together they add to 143. So it wants the measure of each. So now I'm just going to solve this thing. I'm going to simplify, which means I got to combine like terms first. So this is, now we're just solving. So we definitely know how to do this. I'm going to plus 5 on both sides. I get 4x equals 149. And then I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides. And then that gives me x equals 37.25. Okay, so now make sure that with word problems, make sure you always answer the question. What is the measure of each angle? So I'm just going to say that one of these is angle 1, and the other one is going to be angle 2. So angle 1 is just x. So this one is going to be 37.25 degrees. The other one is 5 less than 3 times that one. So I have to go to the calculator for that one. So basically what I'm doing now is I'll just go ahead and write it out. I'm going to do 3x minus 5 for this one. So 3 times 37.25 minus 5. So this angle number 2 is going to be 3 times 37.25 minus 5 gives me 106.75. So there's your angle 1, and there's your angle 2. This is in degrees. So write your let statement, write your equation, solve your equation, and then make sure that you answer the question. Write your let statement, write your equation, solve your equation, answer the question. Pretty simple.